Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to create a new Signal account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already installed Signal app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Signal is a free privacy-focused messaging and video chatting app. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Signal app. Here I go. At the bottom you can see that continue option. Tap on that. Again tap on allow permission. Here you have to enter your phone number. Tap on continue after you are done. Tap on yes. Now you will receive a code in your number. Put that code here. Now you have to enter your first name here. Enter your last name here. Tap on save. Now you have to create your PIN. After you are done, you can tap on next. Okay, you must choose stronger PIN. After you are done, tap on next. You have to confirm your PIN here. Tap on next. Wait for a few seconds. It is in the process. I would not like to connect to devices on local network, so I will be tapping on don't allow. You can see that I have easily created Signal account. In this way, you can also easily create Signal account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.